Hey, what's up guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today we have a fragrance from Emper Perfumes, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, the tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, an automobile. Maybe you watch me right now at that restaurant getting ready to order some huge steaks, maybe a nice chicken meal. Who knows, wherever and however you're watching me, it is an honor. And if you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. And I was kind of just thinking while doing some dishes, you know, maybe you'll watch me while you're doing some dishes and you got some thoughts just running through your head. And I said to myself, you know what? I mean, I got the subscribers, you know, I got the views, I got the likes, but we really don't know each other very well, okay? So, I'm going to try something new. Before each video, before I get into the review of whatever I'm reviewing for the day, I'm going to ask you guys a question. Just answer the question down below. Just a simple little question, just to get to know you guys, okay? A little bit better. So, with that being said, hypothetical, is that how you say it? Hypothetical question right here, okay? If you are stranded on an island, okay, for 10 hours, okay, and you have your phone, it's fully charged, okay, and you can have one of 5 things on there, okay? You can have one contact, okay? You can have one app, you can have one game, one movie, and one song, okay? That's going to keep you occupied for those 10 hours. Give me one of each one of those, okay, that you would have on your phone, okay? Now remember, you gotta pick wisely, okay? You gotta pick wisely. Now me, I know all the things that I would pick. The wifey is here, so she would be the contact. She's within striking range, so she's definitely the contact. So you guys make sure you answer correctly, okay? Anyways, let's finally get into this fragrance, okay? Now, Emper Perfumes. Honestly, I know nothing about them, okay? All I know is I've seen this fragrance on eBay, and I was like, man, let's give it a shot. It looked pretty cool. Let's just buy it. I mean, it was cheap, too. It was like 30 bucks. eBay again. And this one is called the Toolbox. The Toolbox of Fragrance. Maybe this thing is just the all-around. It says masculinity meets luxury. So this I'm assuming this is a luxury brand. Who knows? The Emperor product. Now, I'm not too sure. I can't find where this fragrance was made. So I'm not sure if this is it might be a Middle Eastern, because you got some Middle Eastern stuff down here. Okay. And there we go. Emper Perfumes. And they do have a website. So Emper Perfumes and Cosmetics. So here it is, the Toolbox. Let's see if it's similar to maybe it's so good it's like having all your tools into one box. Or maybe what they're trying to say is that this checks all the boxes pretty much. You know, maybe you got a toolbox and you're still missing out on that hammer. I don't know. If you are missing out on the hammer, you got a toolbox and you're pretty much screwed. You could probably just use a meat mallet or anything like that, but maybe this thing just meets all the criteria of a full-on toolbox. So let's check this out. Cool presentation. Reminds me of those Christmas cookies that you would get in the day that had those variety packs, those crunchy, sugary coated cookies. Okay, you got that nicely on there. Let's get rid of that. Toolbox. Masculinity meets the luxury. Look at that. Take a look at that. That is very nice. Pretty cool presentation, if you ask me. Right there, it's in that toolbox. There is the fragrance, and look at this, like a bolt going right through that, through the cap. Now, if I find another one of these, I will leave one of these down below, especially if it's good. So, ooh, it tells you how to check for originality. Okay, I guess maybe they're cloning these type of things over there in the Middle East. I don't know why they would clone this thing, because it's like 30 bucks, but who knows? Okay, so they give you this cool, okay, so unlike your, Mason and Lumbers, which only has a sticker usually in the Tafas. This actually does have your batch code right there. See, the Tafas and Mason and Lumbers, they don't have that. It just has usually just a sticker right there. So, only thing is, this looks like one of those super cheap, flimsy bottles right here. It feels heavy in the hand though, so do not get that look mistaken for kind of like this the beauty of the bottle. So we open that up. The cap is actually quite nice, and again, it's like a nut and bolt on the back, which is very cool. Screws. That would be kind of dope if you had to unscrew this a little bit to take that cap off. But nonetheless, there you go, the toolbox. So let's spray it away. Again, I have no idea what the notes are in this. Again, it was kind of just a buy for no reason, because the bottle looked cool. That's why I bought it. This Emper, they actually have a lot of different fragrances too. So if you go check them out, you'll probably see everything. I probably should have checked their website out before I got here, but let's go in this with a open mind. It's a nice. Okay, I'm kind of getting a Sauvage. Very nice Sauvage scent profile in the air. The sprayer could use a little bit of work. Could use that Sauvage sprayer. You know, the one that we all love, that nice pressure sensitive atomizer. I wish it shot out a little bit more juice. It's kind of a fine mist, but yeah, in the air. Honestly, I'm getting like this Sauvage scent profile, which is very nice. You guys already know I'm not the hugest fan of Sauvage. I mean, I'm a huge fan of it when I smell it on other people, if that makes sense. It's one of those fragrances that you smell it so much, and then you smell it so much, you get bored of it. Okay, a lot of people are just wearing it, but man, whenever I smell it, because I don't wear it, but whenever I smell it on people, I actually, I turn my head like, man, that guy smells good. Oh man, it smells good. But let's get closer, see if there's anything different. Yeah, this kind of, again, you guys know Sauvage. It smells way different in the air than on the skin. This has that citrusy, lavendery, kind of aromatic, slightly woody scent. Okay, all those things are true. It doesn't smell cheap. Like, it didn't smell like I mean, I didn't go smelling it right away, but I didn't get a huge whiff of alcohol right away. Again, just sprayed it and pretty much just got Sauvage out of this one. Okay. Definitely getting a nice sandalwoody scent. Again, you got your citruses and your bright, fresh, kind of spicy. Okay, it's like a fresh spice. Definitely getting that lavender, which is very nice. Lavender, citrus, fresh spice. Maybe a little bit of that wood, that sandalwood, which is very nice. But again, honestly, with this one, it's definitely masculine. There's no doubt about that. As you guys know, the original Sauvage is definitely a masculine, mass-appealing fragrance. And honestly, when you smell this, you are definitely going to get Sauvage. And with that being said, obviously, a lot of you guys like Sauvage. Okay? A lot of you guys love it. Okay, maybe you guys... you like it so much that you're kind of like me. You want to look for the cheaper alternative so you can kind of save that for the extravagant nights or something like that. You can go out there and grab yourself something like this, okay? But here's the thing: with so many different Sauvage fragrances out there, profiles, clones, what you will, it's hard to recommend this one because there's just so many of them out there, okay? If you get this one, you're going to smell like Sauvage. Now, let me see if it's better than this one, because you guys already know this is a new one. This is that Urban Man Elixir. This one kind of gives you that Sauvage scent as well. Get over here. Better sprayer on this one, so got that going for it. This one definitely has more of a pineapple-y, that... A lot of people think this is kind of like an Aventus, the pineapple-y version of Aventus with Sauvage. You mix the two together, you get that. So with that pineapple, which is very nice in the air, it's very nice when you get close to it too. So again, you know what? If you had to spend some money, just get that one if you got the money for it. And if not, and you just want that toolbox, you can go out and grab this one. Do I recommend it? No, I don't. Because, again, a lot of you guys probably already have Sauvage. And honestly, if you got the real deal already, which I don't, I got rid of it, I'm going to need something that smells like Sauvage. So I already got, like, this one. I got a blue one over here from Shaikh Zaid, whoever the hell that is. I got one over there that smells like Sauvage. This one smells like Sauvage. So I'm pretty much tapped out with Sauvage. So, again, there's not that much information on this besides how cool the bottle looked. That's why I picked it up. But if I would have known what the notes and stuff like that were, I probably would have passed on it. But nonetheless, it is a cool looking bottle. So with that being said, this toolbox is, it's definitely a toolbox. Okay, it's definitely going to check all the boxes pretty much. Date night, boom. Work, boom. Mask peeling, boom. Crowd pleaser, boom. Wife enjoys it, boom. All that. It's going to check pretty much every single box that you can need it for, okay? But again, if you kind of bored like with Sauvage like I am, then you maybe it doesn't check all the boxes. But again, citrusy, aromatic. You got that lavender, you got this nice freshness, you got that woody scent that the wife can smell it all the way over there, and that's about she's about a good 20 feet away. She's about a good green anaconda full body length away. So if that means anything to you guys, take that with a grain of salt. This is loud, apparently, because you can smell it over there. Okay, so it's loud. But then again, that could be the Club de Nuit elixir that I just sprayed. So I'm not sure which one she's smelling, but hey, there you go. There's proof that the Club de Nuit is a loud one, and this one might be loud too. Who knows? But with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Again, that is that toolbox from Emper Perfumes. I'm going to go check them out. I'll leave the description down below. Leave their information down below. But with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.